Pradarsh Weight Loss Motivation. This is me, Pranesh Satya, for Pradarsh Weight Loss Motivation. Today is a wonderful day, and I'm really happy to have you on my show. And the reason why we have started this wonderful YouTube channel is to motivate people and to encourage people to lose their weight and to bring the best confident self of each and every person. I don't care how old you are. You might be 12, you might be 18, you might be 35, you might be 40, you might be in your 60s, you might be in your 70s. I don't care. I just want to bring the best out of each and every person who is watching this video. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you feel ugly? Okay, I repeat the question. Do you feel ugly? Do you feel ugly because of the fact that you are fat? Do you feel ugly because of the fact that you are fat and cute? Okay, each and every person is unique. Each and every person is beautiful in their own way. Okay, let me ask you another question, another important question. Why do we call Taj Mahal as beautiful? Why do we call Taj Mahal as beautiful? The answer is very simple. It's very straight. We call Taj Mahal as beautiful because of the fact that it is one monument in the entire world. Okay, so let me ask you the same question again. Do you feel ugly about your own self? No. Why? You shouldn't be ugly about your own self because you are only one person of a kind. You are one person who is very unique. Have you ever seen a person who looks exactly like you? Who looks exactly like you in your in appearance, in the way you talk, in the way you do your work? Have you seen any other person who looks exactly like you and does things like you? No, right? Obviously, if you are a twin, that happens. Even then, have you seen any other person who looks exactly like your twin? Who looks exactly like your twin? No, right? The answer is a big no. Okay. Having said that, let me ask you another question. Having said that, now that we have said that everybody is beautiful and everybody is unique, so why do we need to lose our own weight? You can say that I am very beautiful, I am very unique, nobody is like me. Then why do we even need to lose weight? Then there is no point for making this video, right? Okay. The point is because of the obvious health benefits, that is because of the obvious health benefits that this weight loss gives you. Okay, the obvious health benefit, the most significant weight loss benefit is aging. Aging happens really very slow in people who are underweight, who are keeping their weight under check. So, there are obvious health benefits. There are n number of health benefits attached to weight loss. The most important thing being is aging. Aging happens really very slow in people who are keeping keeping their weight under check. The another thing is you will feel really strong about yourself. You will feel really confident about yourself. You will have no inferiority complex when you are when you are reducing your weight, when you are motivated, when you are working out every day. You will feel really motivated. Your confidence goes to a whole new level. There are n number of health benefits. Okay, to tell you my journey, why am I motivating you people is I was at one point of time. I was nearly 97.5 kgs. Can you believe it? I was at 97.5 kgs. Yes, I was at 97.5 kilograms. Okay, and then I reduced 21.5 kgs. I brought it down to 76 kgs. That is whooping 21.5 kgs. Okay, this when I was being very fat, people used to mock me on a regular basis. People used to talk shit about me. They used to give ill-fated comments about my body. They do something. They will do everything that they can do to just insult me. There are n number of insults when it comes to when you're overweight, you will get comments from everywhere. I can't just say all those things over here in this platform. The kind of comments, the kind of uh, words that I faced when I was 97.5 kgs. There were people who, even my relatives, even my friends, even my kith and kin used to mock me. They did body shaming without even knowing the fact that what they were doing was body shaming. Okay, now that we have said that we are going to lose weight, now that we have come to a point that weight loss is a most important priority of our life. So what next? How are we going to even do this? How are we even going to reduce our weight? How are we even going to be consistent about our own weight loss program, weight loss journey? Okay, the answer is very significant. Just remember. What are we going to remember? We are going to remember and recollect. What are we going to remember and recollect? We are going to remember and recollect all the ill-fated comments and all the dirty comments that you got for your own body, for being fat, for being you. I'm just going to ask you to recollect and remember all those ill-fated comments to stay motivated. And that is why I reduced at 21.5 kgs in the first place. Okay. Um, you can start wherever you want to. You can be at 90 kgs, you can be at 85 kgs, you can be wherever you want to, but the point is I just want you to stay motivated. Okay, what am I going to do? How are we even going to do this? Take this forward. Now that we have said that we are going to remember and recollect, what are we going to recover? How are we even going to do this? What is our action plan? Okay, next comes the action plan. The action plan is very simple. What I am going to do is, it is a 100-day weight loss journey. I'm not going to tell that 100-day weight loss journey. I will just, maybe I can just rephrase it as 100-day journey. 100-day journey of motivation. We are going to post 14 videos, 14 into 7, that calculates to 98 days. So each week we are going to post a video where I will be documenting this weight loss entirely at home. Nothing at gym, no equipments, without the use of any equipments. I'm just going to use this one simple equipment. This is called as a skipping rope. It just costs you around 150, 200. Even the most expensive one costs you around 200 rupees. So this just 200 rupees and all natural treatment, you are going to reduce weight. Definitely this is going to happen. Even if you are not able to reduce too much of weight, definitely you will be losing at least 4 to 5 kgs if you are going to watch this whole 100 videos. So until then, this is me, Pranesh Satya, signing off. So stay tuned for further updates, and share it, like, share and subscribe to your family and friends. So we will keep you posted. Thank you.